guys, I just got this brand new compact car vacuum. Gonna get it unboxed and show you what all comes with it. So first off, you have your great handheld vacuum. This fits really well in my hand. You have a power on button here. Just hold that down for your lowest setting, medium, and high. And back off. Just twist this off, and then in here you have a filter. You have two filters, so in case the first one gets old on you, you have a replacement, and then once you clean that out or put in your new filter, snap that back into place. Clean that out quickly would just be pressing this button up here and dumping out all the dirt. You charge this, it has the little USB-C port back here, and then it goes to a USB. You have many attachments, so you have this nice flat one, a long skinny one. You have the brush that can go on there. Then you have attachments that go on the back that blow air out. So if you get to the beach and you want to inflate something, you could do that as well. There's that big attachment. There's this kind of little one that would go like into a ball. You have this long skinny one. You have this super long skinny one. I have a short flatter one. So lots of options to inflate something as well. And then the last item that it comes with is this baggie to store everything away that you can carry all your attachments and your vacuum in. This does last anywhere from 18 minutes to 30 minutes depending on if you use it on low, medium, or high. So with all that being said, let's vacuum out the trunk of my car and show you how well this works. And here I'll empty out the dirt for you. Gotta love all that sand in the summertime that the kids drag into the car. This little mighty vacuum is going to be a game changer to have in my vehicle. All thanks to this great vacuum or inflator, we're ready to go to the beach on a whim. And now that I've finished vacuuming out my car, inflating my kids' tubes, I can twist this handle down, 90-degree angle. It helps it store down in this little baggie, keeps everything in place. And with all the tools, accessories, the vacuum, everything in there, this could store under one of our seats in the car and you wouldn't know it's there until you need it.